You may be wondering why you haven't seen a lot of me doing work in my workshop or further work in Malcolm's leather shed. There's still some tasks to be done out there. And you may have also noticed in my last couple of videos, the barley video and the cruise video, that I've been very red in the face. I developed a photosensitive condition with the skin on my face, and not only photosensitive but heat sensitive. So I've been staying away from the sun, staying away from heat, and my workshop's not air conditioned and gets very, very hot even on the warmest days. And working on Malcolm's in leather shed, even though it's got an air conditioner in it, I do all the cutting and everything outside, so I'm still out in the sun and out in the heat. So I've been trying to restrict that. We've got an overcast day today. I've taken the opportunity of catching up on a job that's needed doing, the rear guard on my little smart car. But please forgive me if I'm not on as much as I should be. I'd love to be out and doing things and making videos, but it hasn't been possible for a little while. Okay, thank you. Stop the camera. Part of it fell on the ground. Okay, that's it off. Oh. Now you'll wonder what I'm doing here. A few months ago, in fact before Christmas, my next door neighbour or across the road neighbour, backed into my car, and I thought it'd be an easy task to find a new outer mudguard, so I taped up the original one to make it hang on. But searching for a replacement guard for one of these has proved a little harder than I expected. So I've now taken it off again instead of taping it back up. As you can see, it was fairly loose on the tapes, and I'm going to have a go at epoxying it together. I'm not sure if this is going to be successful, but going to have a go. It'll give me something to do and something to film. So let's see how we go. Okay, the next step in preparing this guard is to clean it up a little bit, get some of the road grime off of it, and see where we go. We don't appear to have any power. Let me just go and check the power. It's been unplugged. Okay, the object is not to clean it up completely. I'll be hitting the areas I'm going to try and bond together with iso alcohol and roughening them up with a flapper disc. It was just to get all the road grime and grease off so that when I'm handling it, it doesn't get on my hands. So that quick spray down will do the job. I probably won't get on to much more prep until tomorrow. I used up my last flapper disc today, so I'll have to visit Bunnings and get another flapper disc, and I might even buy a new bottle of iso alcohol, and then we'll be into seeing what we can do with this. The idea has changed a little bit. I was just going to epoxy them, but I'm actually going to try and lay some glass mat and some glass resin inside the guard. So still not confident that this is going to be a success, but you never know until you try.